got me concerned last night? I'm watching TV and government is offering free testing kits starting Monday, at least in the US. So what do they know that I don't, but now you do? Is that scientists are predicting another potential wave of COVID-19. No thanks to a new strain that is a distant, far distant cousin from the Omicron. Over the summer, we had a wave called EG5, which to some degree we got immunity either because we got Omicron or we got the vaccine. The problem with this new one, the BA.2.86, is that there are 30 mutations in the spike protein, which just might mean that it's going to escape all the immunity that we have as a society. So we're back to precautions. So if you're immunocompromised, start wearing this if you're concerned, and make sure you have testing kits so that you know if you have COVID, that you should consider Paxlovid if you're having severe symptoms. And last but not least, you might want to consider, if you're immunocompromised, getting your updated booster shot. It will help to some degree.